Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Mark here, coming to you with another kitchen gadget, possibly stocking stuffer. This is the 3-speed electric whisk. Takes 4 AA batteries, not included, $20 on Amazon. Gonna do a pretty simple test here. Just gonna fire this up here. And we're just gonna take some spaghetti sauce, just jarred stuff, pour it into our hex-clad pot, which I love, by the way. Jamie and I both have some. They're fantastic. We did review them. Ooh, that thing can move. So, as you can see, it's vibrating, but it's barely turning. Now, I'm hesitant to do the next speed because I don't want to make a mess here.
The sauce is going to explode.
Yeah. Speed 2, still just sitting still. Speed 3. Well, there we go. Building some momentum here. Okay. Now, this is not an overly thick sauce. It's just tomato sauce. It's called fire roasted tomato and garlic. So it's not like chunky that's getting it held up on anything. It is starting to turn, but as you could probably see, or hopefully you can see from the top camera, it's basically, well, it's starting to push some stuff to the end, but for the most part, it's just focusing right on the middle here. So would I trust this with a sauce that, you know, you want to constantly be stirring so it doesn't burn or stick to the bottom? I don't know. Let's try that again on the first level. So as you can see, I actually thought, uh-oh, we're into one here. We're into one, Jamie. Only on The Average Kitchen that would happen. I thought that it would actually like turn, not just vibrate. So we'll try this here without splashing spaghetti sauce all over the place. So on the first level, it's basically just shaking. The second level, pretty much the same. Third level, it does turn, but it pretty much only stirs the circumference of where those 4 or those 3 prongs are. Well, they're not even gliding, they're just shaking, right? Like vibrating like this, instead of like a whisk. As everybody knows, a whisk actually moves all of the product that's in your pot in this case. All right, so again, very quick video. I think it's a total bust. Yes, it's $20 Canadian on Amazon. I don't see this working at all. I don't see, I mean, like I said, the sauce is not thick. There's no chunks in it. There's no meat in it. There's nothing. So it's not like it's getting hung up on anything. And it really doesn't whisk. It's more like a 3-speed, I don't want to use the word vibrator, but a 3-speed vibration tool that just basically shakes the sauce around in this, whatever that is, 3-inch circumference of this product. So for us, total bust, don't buy it. That's the review. Hope you liked it. We'll see you on the next one.